What a beautiful day. Oh no. The sun is becoming a red giant. I better go to White House to send the emergency alert system.
Hi. President speaking.
Hello President, we got bad news. The sun will become a red giant.
Oh my god. Don't worry Daisy, I send you emergency alert system. Go home fast.
Okay.
We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and NASA. This is not a test. I repeat. This is not a test. Our world is coming to an end. At 5:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Daisy Anderson has discovered the sun is becoming a red giant. It's unknown why the sun is becoming a red giant. Temperatures around 210 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit to heat 400 or 700 degrees. Everything is melting and blackout has reported during rising heat. There's nothing you can do to stop from the red giant sun. There's no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. All residents of the United States, gather your friends, pets and everything and prepare for the end. This station will sign off now with the national anthem. May God bless you all.